Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to see and clear your browsing data on Microsoft Edge. And if you get any value out of this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. But to get started with the guide, if you want to see and clear your browsing data in Microsoft Edge, first you need to open Microsoft Edge on your computer, then go to these three dots so you can get to more settings, then click on history, and then click on these three dots here, then click on open history page. Now, once you've opened this history page, you'll see all of the sites you visited, and you have some filters here on the left where you can choose all, recently closed, or tabs from other devices where Microsoft Edge is also signed into. But for this tutorial, just leave it on all, and this is where you can see all of your browsing data. Now, if you want to clear all of this, you can just click on clear browsing data here, and then you'll need to select the time range. For this tutorial, we're just going to select all time, but you have some different options here that you can choose from. I'll select all time, and then you can also choose all of these options like deleting your browsing history, the download history, the cookies, cached images and files. You can even clear passwords, autofill form data, site permissions, all data from the previous version of Microsoft Edge, and any media foundation data like licenses, certificates, keys, and more. So you can select all of these or whatever you want to clear from your browser, then just click on clear now. And when it's done, all of your browsing history will be deleted. So I hope this quick guide's been useful. Please like the video and I'll see you in the next one.